Go home happy with the 2025 Jeep Wrangler. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated front seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, 4-cylinder engine, capable of going anywhere and always authentically you. Drive the Wrangler.